Hello and welcome to the basics of Tunisian crochet. I'm Sarah. In my latest videos, I've shown you different ways to increase in Tunisian crochet, either within the row and on the sides of your work. If you want to refresh these skills, just click on the link above to see those videos. Today, I would like to show you how to decrease in Tunisian crochet. There are two main methods to do so. So, I have worked as usual a couple of rows in Tunisian simple stitch, starting from a foundation row. Method number one consists in simply skipping a stitch while crocheting, like this. So I work my first stitch as usual, then to decrease I simply skip the next vertical bar I'm supposed to be working under and insert the hook in the vertical bar, under the vertical bar right after it, like this, and pull up a loop from there. So now I'll finish my forward pass as usual, and then I'll show you how it looks after the return pass, which is a standard one. Okay. Okay. So this is it. This is my decrease. Okay. Now method number two consists in working under two vertical bars together, like this. I'll show you. So to decrease, insert the hook under the next two vertical bars, that is to say the one you are supposed to be working under and the one right after it, like this. Then you yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops and up on the hook, like this. And then you proceed with your forward pass as usual, finishing with a neat closing stitch and with a return pass by yarning over and pulling through one loop only first, and then through two loops together until the end of the row. Okay, and when you proceed working the next row, of course you will be working under one bar only that was created by decreasing in the previous row. Okay, and this is the result. Let me show you. So this was my first decrease by skipping a stitch, and this is the second one. Okay, so method number two is definitely my favorite one because it still looks okay even if you decrease by inserting the hook under more than just two vertical bars together, like 3, 4, 5, as many as your pattern requires, while if you were to skip 3, 4, 5 or even more stitches, this would probably result in a hole in your work. So I would go for method number two every time, but this is just my opinion. And that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and please come back again in the future for further tutorials on Tunisian crochet. Bye bye!